Alright guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to pull together your Adobe Voice presentation together on your iPad for the black and white unit. The first step you're going to want to do is go into your iPad in your App Store and look up Adobe Voice. Sometimes it's called Adobe Spark now, and you're going to install that application onto your iPad. The next step, if you go into your Google Drive, right here, you are going to find your inspiration folder and your final folder, and you're going to save your pictures from your Google Drive onto your camera roll. The easiest way to do that is to hold your finger down on a picture and click Save to Camera Roll. This will move your photos from your Google Drive onto your camera roll on your iPad. You're going to save all of your final photos and all your inspiration photos from your Google Drive onto your iPad. Next, you're going to open up Adobe Spark. If you don't have an account, you're going to create an account, and you're going to create a new presentation called Black and White. You're going to make up your own layout. The way Adobe Voice works, down at the bottom, these are your slides. In the middle is the slide you're working on, and at the top, you can choose different layouts, you can choose different themes or backgrounds, and you can choose different music. This is my first slide. As you go through and start your presentation, please have open the handout that walks you through the order that your slides are to go in. This can be found in our Schoology page. The first slide should be a welcome. So on my first slide, I'm going to change the layout to a thing plus a caption. And I'm going to put a little icon in there and say welcome. Oh. And I'm going to find an icon that I like. I actually like this one. And then I'm going to type in welcome. To add a new slide, I would click the plus down at the bottom. The second slide, my inspiration for landscape, a title and a photo. So I'm going to click on photo on my iPad, and I'm going to find a landscape that I found inspiring. And I'm going to title this landscape. My third, it's my birthday. My third photo, two other inspiration photos for landscape. So I'm going to change the layout, and I'm going to click on two things, and I'm going to insert my other two pictures I found from the web inspiring my landscapes. Slide number 4, my first photo for landscape, full screen layout. So up on layout, I'm going to click on the full screen, and I'm going to insert my first black and white photograph for landscape. With the full screen, sometimes you do need to shrink your photo down, and you can record a little bit about why you took the picture you did, if you're happy with how it turned out. Just a little bit here and there makes the presentation more interesting for me to watch. And here is my second landscape. Again, shrink them down so we see the full picture. Slide number 6, my inspiration for portrait. So again, I need to change the layout, go back to thing and caption, insert a portrait that I found inspiring, and write portraits. Please follow the layout that I have written so it's easier for me to grade. Go all the way down to slides number 25, and I'll walk you through how to publish in a couple minutes. Don't forget, in your presentation, be creative. Use different icons, choose some music, choose a nice theme, make it visually pleasing. So go through before you publish your work and evaluate your presentation right down here using the criteria for the presentation. Thank you.